Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So today I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm going to explain about it before I go on. This is what we call Cotoletta di pollo in Italy, and we call it chicken cutlets in English. So these are the ingredients you need for it. You don't need so much ingredients on it. This is what we normally McDonald's and cast chicken, name it, KTC. Yeah, this is it. You can equally do it at home. So let's get started. You beat the egg. Beat eggs very well. Add the black pepper. Any quantity you want. Add the salt depending on your choice. So after that, you just watch me what I'm doing. You dip the boneless chicken. Yes. Then you coat it with the breadcrumbs. So you do it the second time for it to be coated well. So this is it. Just coat it very well. Eccolo qua. I'm going to show you another one. Then I will do other ones off camera. Like this. The second time. Okay. Then this is your pan and oil. Very, very easy to handle. Very, very easy. But whenever we are eating it, it looks as if it's very, very hard to do. No, very easy. It's very sweet. is it. It's frying. You can also do it as well in the oven. Yes, you can fry it or you can use your oven to do that. But this time I want to fry. This is it. This is it. This is how I ate it. Very sweet. This is our panino by the side and the salata. I hope you love it. If you're watching up to this period, you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Yes, like the video if you see that you love it. Like this video. I know you will love it. Like it and subscribe to this channel. Yes, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you are the first to know.